You can access the Data Explorer through the home screen menu bar. The Data Explorer gives you visibility into the data underlying the backtests you run in QuantConnect. You can use it to perform spot checks on the data your backtest is running. Keep in mind that this is the raw data, while data you see in backtesting may be adjusted for splits and dividends, resulting in different prices. Data is available for CFDs, cryptocurrencies, equities, forex, futures, and options. All the data is organized by market, resolution, ticker, and then date. You can also use the search bar if you're looking for a specific ticker. The Data Explorer allows you to download some of the data we have available. Just simply pick the data you want, then add it to your cart. You can then check out and download the data.